Hello and welcome to a new video. For this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of an earring kit that I got off Amazon, and we are going to give it a test. So this kit that I got, it includes 254 pieces. There is 5 different kinds of earrings, teardrops, hearts, diamonds, rectangles, and then circles. It also comes with cardboard to package the earrings and tassels to add on to the earrings if you choose. So what I'm doing right here is opening the package up, unboxing it, showing everybody what's inside. The sublimation blank earrings, they're double-sided, so you can sublimate both sides of the earring. And it comes with everything you need to be able to package it up once you've completed the earrings. The possibilities for the earrings are endless. You can put whatever cute design you want on them, or even family photos, sayings. Well, the words would be small, but you can pretty much put anything on these. You can make them themed, Christmas themed, Easter themed, for birthdays, whatever holiday you want. So first thing I got to do is gather up all the materials that I need. I made up a design for a teardrop earring, a rectangle earring, a heart earring, and a circle earring. And I had to make 4 of each design for a pair of earrings. So because I have to do front and back of the earrings. So I make up the designs, I print it off, then I take out the earrings that I'm going to need for this project. I peel off that plastic protective layer so that I can tape on the design onto the earrings and sublimate it. I have to do one side at a time, so I tape one side of the sublimation onto the earrings, I press it on, I wait for it to cool down a little bit, I take that design off the one side, and I tape on the design onto the other side. And then I put it through the heat press one more time. I press these on at 380 degrees for 45 seconds. So once I finish pressing the images onto both sides of the earrings, next comes the hardware part of the earrings where I add the hooks and the tassels to each of the earrings. So it comes with a variety of colors. You can pick from a selection of colors. You can color coordinate it to your earrings or mix match the colors. It's really up to you what you find and you prefer. For me, I made the rectangle ones a little pink, so I added the pink long tassels to the rectangle one. I made the hearts. I put a colorful rose on the heart, so I used the colorful tassels. For the bees, I didn't put tassels on those earrings, and for the teardrops, I used purple tassels. Very cute design. I've never seen earrings with tassels before, so this was an interesting project to make, and they came out really cute. I'm really impressed. And then once I've got all the hardware onto the earrings, next comes packaging them up and sealing them. Now you can make these for yourself to have your own custom earrings, or you could make these and sell them. It's entirely up to you. I really enjoyed making these earrings. It was a lot of fun. I plan on doing a video soon, making the rest of the earrings up, seeing what designs I could come up with, and we're going to take a look at the results of those. Because the 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 earring hardware was like the dangly earring kind, I taped them together or taped the backs onto the back of the cardboard so that it would hold them in hold them in place so that they didn't fall off from the packaging. Kept them sturdy in place for me. So that's why I did that, taped that up. So here are the results. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the earrings, if you like them or if you didn't like them. And maybe if you have a suggestion of a cute design you would find on an earring, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.